Hello dear friends, I am Balaji, your English teacher. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine. Once again, I have come with a very interesting topic. Today's topic is on comparative degree. As we all know that there are three types of degrees. Adjective is studied at three different levels in three different degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. We have studied this in school, but today I have brought something out of the box for you. It is very interesting and something very new for you. So please look at the board. The topic is comparative degree out of the box. Today I am going to teach you this out of box structure, that is more plus positive degree plus than plus positive degree. This is something strange, something out of the box. Look at the definition. This structure is used to compare the qualities of only one person, thing or animal in comparative degree. This structure is used to compare the qualities of only one person, thing or animal in comparative degree. This is the definition, or this is the reason for which this structure is used. We know the regular structure. This is something irregular structure. The regular structure of comparative degree is, let us see first example. For example, he is taller than me. This is comparative degree. Which degree? Comparative. This is the example of comparative degree. So the structure is, what is the structure? Noun plus comparative degree plus than plus noun. So this is the structure of comparative degree. Noun plus comparative degree, that is second form of the adjective, comparative degree plus than plus noun. This is the regular structure of comparative degree. But here we have irregular structure, something unusual structure, which doesn't follow this structure, this principle, but it follows a different principle. Look at the structure: more plus positive degree plus than and again plus positive degree. Correct? Look at the example. He is more tall than handsome. He is more tall than handsome. See here, he is taller than me. If this one is correct, he is taller than me, then why this one is not correct? Yes? If this one is correct, then why this one is not correct? He is taller than handsome. Yes, this is the question, right? Because here the first noun is compared with another different noun. Here two nouns are different, not the same. But here in the first example, he is more tall than handsome. The noun is the same and qualities of the same nouns are compared. Whereas here in this example, qualities of two different nouns are compared. Whereas in this example, qualities of the same person are compared. Hence, it takes more tall and not taller. Right? Hence, it takes more tall and not taller. Right? So, the first one is correct. He is more tall than handsome is correct. Whereas, he is taller than handsome is incorrect. Why it is incorrect, you understood? Because when we compare, when two qualities of the same thing or same person or same animal are compared, it takes which structure? More plus positive degree plus than plus positive degree, right? It doesn't follow the regular structure. It has a different and unusual structure, right? And that structure is this: more plus positive degree plus than plus positive degree. Now look at this second example. She is more fat than beautiful, right? Again, because here the two qualities of the same person, that is she, right? Her two qualities are compared, right? She is more fat than beautiful, because who is beautiful and who is fat? She, only she. She is fat and beautiful. This fat and beautiful are the qualities of the same person, and hence it follows this structure, this out of box structure, and not the regular structure, correct? But if you compare her quality with somebody else, that time you can use fatter. For example, she is fatter than Mary. Here this is correct. Fatter here, this one is correct, because here you are comparing the quality of first noun. Dear learners, look at the board. She is more fat than beautiful. This is correct, not incorrect, because here in this example qualities of the same person are compared, whereas in the second example she is fatter than Mary. In this example qualities of two different persons are compared, not of the same person, correct? Because here she is different from Mary and Mary differs from she, correct? When two qualities of two different things or persons or animals are compared, that time we follow regular structure. What is the regular structure? The regular structure is noun plus comparative degree plus than plus noun. This is the regular structure, and when two qualities of the same person, same thing or same animal are compared, that time we follow which structure? This structure: more plus positive degree plus than plus positive degree. Hope you understood. Now look at the third example. The cow is more humble than wild. We cannot say the cow is humbler than wild, because the qualities humble and wild are in the same person, are of the same person, that is cow, correct? The two different qualities of the same animal are compared here, and not of different animals, correct? Not the two qualities of two different cows, right? Look at the example. The cow is humbler than wild. You know, this one is incorrect and not correct, because the two qualities of the same animal, that is cow, are compared. Hence it will take this structure, that is more plus positive degree plus than plus positive degree, and not this structure, regular structure, right? So the first example, the cow is more humble than wild, is correct, and the cow is humbler than wild is incorrect, right? Hope you understood. This is something out of box structure. Most of the students don't know, because they have learnt and they have been taught only regular structure. This is something advanced study. So hope you understood. Whenever two qualities of the same person or same thing or same animal are compared, that time we have to use which structure? More plus positive degree plus than plus positive degree. This is very easy, very simple to understand and remember. Hope you understood. Thank you so much for your patient hearing, patient watching. Have a knowledgeable day ahead. Thank you.